To bio class. Today we will discuss the classes Aves and Mammalia. Aves, it means bird. Bird is the most beautiful creature in the world, maybe the most beautiful creature. About 10,000 different varieties of the species all over the world. It is found. The characteristics features here the bird Aves. Here we are getting some advanced character. It means that the warm-blooded, warm-blooded, and it has four-chambered heart. So these are the uh, advanced character which is found in the mammals also. So it means that Aves and the Mammalia, this only these two group in the world, only these two classes of the chordate in the world, that is warm-blooded. Okay, so uh, so it means that we can make it distinct. Now, bird is easily, we can identify because it has some special characteristics. So it is a flying. Most of the bird can fly, except flightless that ostrich. There is some bird which is present in the water. Uh, Beak here is the exclusive character, the wing also the exclusive characteristics. So later we can see one structure which is there in the bird. Look at here. Here is the beak, bipedal, biped. It means two legs are there. They are tetrapod, and other two is the wing is there that in conversion to wing, and they are having some special characteristics that you have to notice that in digestive systems that the crop is there and the gizzard is there. So teeth is absent here. So that work it is done by some other places. Here different kind of body design that body is not very heavy, and some characteristics of flying that is there. They are having that ear sacs. You can see that the ear sacs that is for the respiration, for the critical time that they can get the oxygens. So all these are there in your book. Let's see that the characteristics of what is there: the beak and the wing, the hind limb generally have scales and the modify for the walking, swimming. All this branching. Skin is dry without gland, except that the oil gland is base of the tail. We can see this part. So this is the oil gland. You can see here, uropygial, that preen gland under the skin. So this is the oil gland which is found in the bird. Okay. Endoskeleton is fully ossified, bony structure, and the long bones with the hollow and the ear cavity, pneumatic bones. The pneumatic bones are present. So for that we can select here on. See this the bony structure of the bird. Here you can see that the typical bone is there, which is inside cavity. It is hollow. Another thing you have to keep in mind that you can see the keel bone is there. This is the keel bone is there, which is a specialized structure which is for the aviation, for the flight. And here these bones which form that wing, this is the humerus and the radius ulna, which is identical to our forelimbs. So it is clear, it is very clear the forelimb it modified into wing, and this is the hind limb. So their legs are two. and another two limbs, they converts into the wing. All right. So here, mm, we can see this part, air cavity. Now next is the digestive tract. The bird has the additional chamber, the crop and the gizzard. Okay, so if we see this, the original photographs of the chicken here. Here, this is the mouth, and this is the esophagus. After that, the crop is the reservoir of the food material. If they will get the more food material there, and here the proventriculus, you can see this is the stomach. Then gizzard will come. The gizzard is hard layered where the food grinds. They can grind their food. So initially the teeth is not there. So food is taken. After that, food is grinded here. Then intestines will be there. So this crop and the gizzard that you have to keep in mind. This is the one special special part in this organism. Okay. Now, heart is complete four chambers. They are warm-blooded animal, and they maintain the body temperature. So, special structure of ear sacs. It is connected to the lungs. That you can see this the lungs, and here the ear sacs. Cervical, that different areas, according to the areas it is total 9 are there. So these are the supporting here for the aviation. And here the oviparous and other part. Sexes are separate, fertilization is internal, and they are oviparous. See that the egg, the ova, egg is so this is the egg yolk. It is fertilized. Sometimes all the time not fertilized also, and after that it white will form. Egg white. Here the formation is there. So here cell membrane also formed, and after that we are getting that hen egg. Suppose. The very big size of egg, and it moves out through the vent. Okay, so that is about Aves. Here the examples that you have to keep in mind. You can see these are the examples which is important. Next is Mammalia. Class Mammalia. Okay, so class Mammalia, they are found in the variety of the habitat, polar cap, desert, mountain, forest, grassland. It means they are cosmopolitan. Everywhere they are present. They are warm-blooded, and in classification category, the last we are. It means that the most advanced in other way we can say. Some of them have adapted for the fly, live in the water, and unique some characteristics they are. So mammary gland, from that the name Mammalia. The mammary gland is there in this organism. So this group, this class is named for that. So three important characteristics that you have to keep in mind. So here it is. Basic characteristics that the body covered with hair. Some exceptions are there that I'll tell you. Body covered with hair. They possess the projecting external ear, pinna, external ear, and young one takes the milk. The mammary gland present in the mother. So mammary gland is the presence, and they are having the external ear, they are having the body hair. So these three the basic characteristics. So you can get that. here it is, you can see that in your book, that diagrams which is there, the here the platypus egg laying mammals, laying eggs and quite peculiar in their characteristic, but they are mammal. uh, Another category is the marsupials. The marsupials, and in that the young are born in the immature state. And after that, further development is there in the pouch. Okay. Marsupialia, Latin word marsupium means pouch. Marsupium means pouch. Okay. So here that Chiroptera, it means the bat. They are they're flying, but they're mammal, a flying mammal. In this whale, Balanoptera, this whale, in this Balanoptera, they are not satisfying the two characteristics, basic characteristics of mammal. Here they don't have pinna, means external ear. They don't have body hair, but they are mammal. So, so they are having the several varieties. It is that you can see that the two pairs of limbs adapted for the walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, flying. Okay, so many things are there. So let's take a look at this photos here. Here you can see that the platypus and with the egg. So egg laying it is. Here a very interesting picture. It is that in full grown that kangaroo, which is 8 feet that tall, they are giving birth only 2 to 3 centimeter long, the baby. Okay. After that baby, they are keeping inside the pouch, and the development is there. Okay. So they are marsupials. They are typical. I think you know that, everyone you know that it is found in Australia. There are so many marsupials. It is found. They are mammal. Okay. Now another very important characteristics that I'm going to discuss, that is the dentation. Dentation, it means the teeth, the pattern of the teeth, which is the quite peculiar and different from other. So dental variety in the mammals that you have to notice, they are heterodont. Okay, heterodont. What does it mean? It means the teeth are not same type. Teeth are having the different type. What are the different type? That suppose in case of human also in the mammal, you know that they are having the incisor, they are canine, molar, and premolar. So you know that in crocodile, I mean reptilia and some other, they are not having that heterodont. I mean different type of teeth. They are having the same type. It's called homodont. Okay. So look at here. This is you can understand the homodont and heterodont. So homodont, it is same type, and heterodont, they are different type, different molar, premolar. And not only that, the second point will come that this teeth is fused with bone. So come in the next point. Next point here, it is thecodont. What does it mean, thecodont? The type of attachment in each tooth embedded in socket. So our teeth is very easily we can take it out. It means it is not fused with bone. Here also, here you can see this. This is in socket. It is there in socket. So it can be taken out easily. But in homodont, it is completely fused with the bone. It cannot take it out. It will break. Okay. So, and third type is diphyodont. Diphyodont. What is diphyodont? Diphyodont, it means that the dentition characteristics, two sets of teeth, that everyone will know that we are having one temporary set, first temporary set, which is milk, which is called milk teeth, and the second comes permanent teeth. Those who are not having, they are called monophyodont, single type of teeth. So this is the terminology, that homodont, heterodont, and thicodont, acrodont. Acrodont means fused with bone, and monophyodont and diphyodont. That is about the dentation in mammal. Okay. So here is a long list of the examples that you have to prepare. You have to keep in mind its scientific names also. Okay. So that is about uh, mammals. So prepare this one. Thank you.